Hello, guys. Peter from Sun Insurance and Logistics. It is a very fine afternoon in the Midwest here. So I decided today to come outside my backyard to just shoot you this quick video on the tutorial. It's about the Panther Load Board, and this one is going to help the starters, those ones who have formed newly formed companies, and they don't know how to navigate around the Panther Load Board. But by the way, before I get started, the Panther Load Board is free for everybody. All they need is a truck with insurance, 1 million combined single limits, MC number, active DOT number, and your proof of authority certificate. So once you have that, you call the Panther, and you will have to either email the paperwork to them, to the compliance department, and they will set you up, give you a username, a password, and then you should be able to start bidding loads right away. So today, that's why I'm trying to do this tutorial. I know most drivers, I mean, if you are comfortable bidding loads from your truck at a truck stop, you don't have to necessarily go to a computer in the office. Because of the technology, you can just do it from anywhere. But most people these days, they have iPhone, maybe iPhone 8, 13, wherever you have. But still, the other capabilities, you have to go and log in. The only thing you need is a link and a web browser and connected to the internet. So once you are connected, you just access the loads and start bidding from there. And as simple as that. Once you win a load, which I'm going to show you in the screen, once you win the load, and they send it to you, and you are on that load. Before we continue, if you are new to this channel, please consider to support by subscribing and sharing my video if you like the content. So thank you. Welcome. So I'm gonna use my phone and show you how it is done, and after that, we can call it a day. Thank you and welcome. So guys, welcome. This is the screen which I promised you to bring from my phone. It's about Panther Load Board. This video is for those people who have entered the industry from scratch for the first time. You have your DOT number and MC number, and you wanted to look for loads for yourself. So after submitting all the paperwork, they will set up you in the system, and once you log in using your username and password, this is the screen you're going to land into. And once you land into this screen, it asks different things which you have to move around and find a shipment which you can run by yourself. So the screen is going to show you the Archipest, which has partnered with the Panther Premium Logistics in Ohio. And then this one shows the carrier portal. The bell you see over here, there's a number 10. I don't know if you'll be able to see. This one shows the shipments which are available. So if we do a refresh, it will keep changing depending on the availability of posting and awarding loads. What you see here, like the header, somebody's head, this is where you sign out. If you click on here, and it will show you the sign out, but I don't want to sign out right now. Okay, and usually it shows different colors now. It has changed because it was 12 before, and now it's 1 and 19. 1 shows that these are the shipments available within a locality where I'm logged from. And available offers now is 9 plus 1 is 10, and that's why you see number 10 around here. So my offers are 0 because I don't have anything. Actually, I didn't bid on anything. The awards is 0, my shipment is 0, finance, administration, and business. The refresh button here, you can use it if you want to get live updates. And once you do that, it the menu from there is so once you do that, it's once you do that, it's you go to another. If you wanted, let's say if you wanted to bid on a load, you click on the available, you just click on the available loads, and then everything now refreshes. For example, if you look at this screen right here, you will see. Let me see if I can show you something. On this screen, you will see there's a load here from Romeoville, Illinois to Romeoville, Illinois to Greenville, Indiana. So let's check out this load if we wanted to know the facts about it. So what you do is a few details. You click on the few details here, and you land on this page. So this is where it tells you the pickup is Romeo, Illinois, and the pickup is tomorrow. That's May 24th at 6 o'clock. So pay attention to time zones. This says CST, that is Central Standard Time, and deliveries on the same day, 12:30 Eastern Standard Time. This is where carriers and the driver run into problems if you don't know how to recognize time zones. If you are used to Central Time and you are bidding a load which needs to deliver in Eastern Time, you might have problem with the broker. So you have to pay attention to that. And the straight track, you see the icon, the track, that is the track they need. They need a 20 to 24-foot track. And the scale, they show you the weight, which is 4,904. And the mileage is 218. And then you see the phone. If you tap on it like this, it will show you, if you click on it, it will show you the phone number. Actually, the phone number, it will show you the phone number. I just refreshed it. It will show you the phone number right there. And so the phone number will come here. It's right down here. And if you wanted to call, you can call and speak to them. And otherwise, if you find this is the load you need, after reading the notes, they need a talk high. This is their pro number, delivery appointment, and they need a BOD, proof of delivery, within 24 hours in order to be paid. They need a dog high, and it's 4 pieces, 40 inches by 48 by 48. So you have to pay close attention to this. 40 inches means 40 inches long, the size of the skid, 48 inches wide and 48 inches tall. And if you feel like you are satisfied with the commodities, these are fruits, meats, and vegetables. So you scroll down from your phone and put your offer, 218 miles. If you want to ask them $3.12, so that one will be around $700. And you select your location, and after that, if this is an alternative, you check the box here and type in the alternatives. But whereby alternatives, use an alternative equipment type. If, for example, they ask for a straight truck and you have a flatbed or a tractor, you tell them uh, the pickup time. If you can't make the pickup time at 7 o'clock, you want to pick up at 9 o'clock, try you put an alternative right here. Delivery, you want to change right there. And these are the notes if you want to tell them any additional. And once you are satisfied, you just place um, place your offer. But if you don't want alternatives, you uncheck the mark and disappears. And then finally you place the offer. So for now, I don't want to place it because I don't want to do this for real. I'll just close. And once you place an offer, you come back to this screen right here. It says available, and the offers is now zero because I didn't do anything. So if it is sent to the dispatch office and they award something, it will show here as awarded. And once it's awarded, they send it back to me, to my board. I accept it. I fill the rate confirmation, and it comes part of my shipment. That's why it says my shipments here. Now, on my shipment, it's gonna stay there. Wherever shipment you have 2 or 3. If you have 3 drivers, 4, wherever number you have, it's gonna stay my shipments. So you will stay on that load, and if you are the driver, they will require you to provide your phone number, your name, your unit number, and they will send you a micropoint tracking. When they send you a micropoint, there's no need of calling the dispatch. You will use it from your phone. Once you make your way to the pickup, they will the micropoint will be tracking you, and once you arrive at the shipper, you will say arrived. And once you load, you will say loaded, number of pieces, weight, and the bit of lading number. Once you do that, you submit. Then the system tells you you are good to go. You land the load until your destination. If you are delivering the next day or the same day, you do the same thing as soon as you arrive at the consignee. And then once you finish everything, you can upload the BOD, and the BOD goes to these guys, the dispatch, and that's it. And then after a few days, you will have to send them invoicing, either through your factoring company or the direct, and then you wait for your payment. That's how you can start on Panther Load Board, and you can give it a try. You have used it before; it's good, and you can bid. The bids are open. You bid wherever you feel is you are asking, and so long as you are within, because there are so many people who are bidding on it. If you win it, they give it to you. And maybe next time I will do another video and show you the other types. For example, if I can show you quick here, This is available, and these are the types of shipments they or types of shipments. For let's say, for example, you wanted expedited only. You click on expedited, and once you apply expedited, it will show you only expedited. It's a filter down, and if you don't want other shipment, that's very good for you. And if you do a refresh, then the computer will give you only expedited shipments. But if if you wanted full or partial, but in most cases, I think if you do all types, it might be good because you don't want to limit yourself to a very 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 small area. Also, you can filter by destination, origin, and destination, and pickup date, or you can filter by equipment. If you wanted, these are all the equipments included. If you have a cargo van, then you click on a cargo van or dry van, wherever it is, and then once you click apply, the computer recognizes that's what you need. That's it pretty much, and I hope you guys have a good day. But if you are new and you find this helpful, please do share with your other fellow trackers so we can help them out. And do remember to subscribe if you are new to this channel and keep following us. We have so many videos, and there are more on the way coming. And let's grow together as a community. And I hope you have a good day. And let me know what if you have comments. Let me know. Okay, bye. And that's it, guys. If you find this video very helpful, and if you are getting started, you are starting somewhere like a new operator, I do a lot of videos. They have a lot of information about the trucking business, and insurance part of it. If you don't know where to get insurance, I do provide insurance. Just let me know, and I should be able to help you. So let me enjoy my evening, and I hope this video, guys, can help you shed light on things which you didn't know. Take it easy. I know it's tough out there to get loads, but you never know. But hope briefly soon things will be okay. That's it, guys, and I hope I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.